part of this. Boom.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. We do reviews on all sorts of cool products, hotels, and even make money online programs. But today we're gonna go ahead and do a review on this multi-charging cable. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go actually check it out. All right, so there's a 2-pack. Let's take this off. Check this out. So I like the length. So you can either do Type-C or USB, which I will end up using the Type-C, but I like that you have options. So you got 2 lightning cables, you got a micro USB cable and a Type-C. So that way, doesn't matter what you have. Like I still have the old school AirPods, so this is gonna come in handy with the lightning. All my iPhones have the Type-C. And then I don't know what I'll use for the micro, but I think my remote uses this. So like I said, I'll be able to charge it all at once. And it is a 2-pack, which this one is the same. 2 lightnings, Type-C, and a micro USB, and the same thing on this side. So let's go ahead and actually test it out and see how it works. All right, so we got it hooked up. I did use the Type-C option. So let's go ahead and plug some items into it. So we'll start with the Type-C on my iPad. There we go. And then we'll use the micro for this. You can see charging right up. And then lastly, like I said, it does have 2 of the lightnings, fast charger, more of like a transfer style. So go ahead and plug this. There we go. As you can see, you got all 3 items charging off that one cable. Super convenient, just have this one cable.
I do want to say the cable is 10 feet and it is braided, so that way it'll handle those bends a lot better and won't break right away.
So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. But if you guys are looking for some cables that has all the options on there, or at least most of them that you would actually need, definitely look into these. I'm gonna leave the link down below so y'all can get yours.